I do get asked this quite a bit, so here's a video that I made for you guys a while ago. It's one of my most popular videos on my channel, 6 Secrets to Learn Anything Faster. This is a summary of a video from the 6 Secrets to Learn Anything Faster by Kwik YouTube channel. The full video is linked below, check it out if you want to learn more. Secret number 1, use the right hemisphere of your brain. In order to do that, you need to use your imagination. The right side of your brain is all about creativity, imagination, and emotions. So in order to learn faster, you need to engage the right side of your brain. Secret number 2, focus on understanding rather than memorizing. When you memorize something, you're only using a small part of your brain. But when you understand something, you're using a lot more parts of your brain. And the more parts of your brain that you can engage when learning, the faster you will learn. Secret number 3, take breaks. Our brain needs time to process everything that we learn. So make sure to take breaks when you're learning. Secret number 4, review what you learned. Reviewing what you learned is one of the most important things that you can do in order to learn faster. Make sure you have a system in place for reviewing. Secret number 5, use active recall. Active recall is a study technique where you try to remember everything that you learned. Secret number 6, don't give up. Learning takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep practicing and you will improve.